OLN.com has been catching a lot of attention lately, especially on aesthetic-driven platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where they're clean. Minimalist bags like the Onasoft bag, Mini Ona, and the Nico bag are promoted with cozy, stylish vibes that easily draw in fashion-conscious buyers. With their calming color palette, soft textures, and an extra 10% off using the Buy Spring discount code, it's tempting to hit order now without a second thought. But should you? In this video, we take a deeper look into OLN.net, a site that appears modern and appealing on the surface, but reveals a mix of concerns once you look closer. We explore when the brand was actually founded and try to dig up information on who's really behind it, something that isn't clearly stated on the website, which immediately raises transparency questions. Then there's the customer feedback. While a few shoppers have praised the designs and claimed they got what they ordered, many others report frustrating experiences with delayed shipping, unclear tracking updates, and difficulty in getting a proper response from customer service. The return process is another point of concern, as the policy has several layers and some customers claim they were denied refunds or exchanges due to vague fine print. The prices themselves might seem reasonable for trendy bags, but some buyers feel the quality doesn't match the hype or the expectations set by the brand's polished online image. Overall, OLN.com presents itself as a boutique, Instagram-worthy shop that fits the modern minimalist trend perfectly, but underneath the surface, there are enough red flags and mixed reviews to give any smart shopper pause. If you're thinking about buying from OLN, this review covers everything you need to know, from the brand's origins and customer feedback to the actual risks and limitations that could impact your purchase, so you can decide whether it's a legit online store or just another curated facade selling style over substance.